U.S. stocks finished little change Monday after Moody's cut its credit rating on the United States. The Dow climbed 1/3%, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq ended basically flat. After the market closed Friday, Moody's slashed the U.S. sovereign credit rating to AA1 from AAA, citing the government's $36 trillion of outstanding debt and interest. Regan Capital Chief Investment Officer Skyler Weinand said investors seem to follow the same approach they took to the previous U.S. downgrades from Fitch and Standard & Poor's.
Look at the market after the downgrade that we saw post-close last week. It had a pretty knee-jerk reaction, and I think traders were following the playbook that we saw in prior downgrades of United States credit, which was bonds higher in yield, lower in price, and stock market lower in price. But I think investors midday here really saw some opportunities both in bonds and stocks and bought the dip. And we're pretty flat, unchanged really for the day.
Stocks on the move included Novavax, which jumped 15% after the company secured a long-awaited U.S. regulatory approval for its COVID-19 vaccine. And shares of Reddit dropped more than 4.5% after Wells Fargo downgraded the stock to equal weight from overweight, saying the social media platform's user base is likely to decline as Google integrates more AI search capabilities.
Network 18 decimates Times Internet with over 6 times more unique users on social media. Network 18, the undisputed leader of news networks, way ahead of the times.